Hey, it's Ijlal, and in this video, I'm going to show you all of the incredible features of Content Gorilla that are going to help you take your content creation to a whole new level, produce content much faster, and produce content that actually ranks on search engines. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. Say hello to Content Gorilla 2024. Now, the first thing on the dashboard you're going to notice is that Content Gorilla allows you to create content from videos. Now, this could be videos from YouTube, Vimeo, or you could even take out transcriptions from your own videos by uploading them onto Content Gorilla using the transcription feature. Now, for this demo, I'm just going to stick with YouTube and show you how easy it is to create good quality content that you can also publish onto your WordPress as well as your social media channels. So let's go ahead and start. So for instance, I want to create a post on how to lose body fat, right? Let's give it a search and, select whatever video it is that you'd like to use, perhaps this one. Now, once you're here, you're going to see that the video that you've selected is converted into content and it's basically fetched its captions. And we already have like a 2,500 word post, which is kind of good. But the problem here now is that this content is going to read as a video because it was taken from a video. So the first thing that we want to do is convert it into a blog, so it actually sounds more like a blog. So all you have to do is click on the convert to blog button, and it's going to take a few seconds. And what it's going to do is it's going to take the content of this video and it's going to add H1s, H2s, and all of the bells and whistles, and make sure that this content turns around and comes out as a blog post. So let's give it a few seconds and I'm going to show you the results in a bit. All right, now that's done. And as you can see, our content has a whole outline here with H1, H2s, and H3s even. So it's already pretty SEO optimized, and I could just go in and probably even publish this content as is. And we have roughly 2,500 or 2,300 words of content here. So the post is ready. I could just publish this as it is, and it's going to be a pretty decent and solid post, right? But I would like to show you a few more features. So firstly, you can add images right from the left panel, and all you have to do is just drag and drop onto the editor. On top of that, you can also select a particular text and then either expand the content professionally, casually, or in the voice of a specific person. So it could be someone like Neil Patel, it could be any celebrity, or really anyone that you want. And what that does is it basically picks up the tone of whoever's name you mention and then rewrites the content in their tone of voice, right? So that's pretty cool. And then we also have like a few features like paraphrasing and simplification. So with paraphrasing, you can simply in one click take the text that you have and rephrase it. And besides that, if I show you a few other features, the keyword auto hyperlink allows you to basically automatically hyperlink any particular keyword in your content once your post is published. So for example, since this is a post about fat loss, you could possibly type something like fat loss and then add your own link. And what it's going to do, and this link could basically be a supplement or anything that you're selling, could be an affiliate product even. And what it's going to do is that once you publish the content onto WordPress, it's going to automatically find all of the keywords in the content and not highlight it, but hyperlink it with your link. Then you can of course change the featured image. You have the tag section here. You can add, remove tags. For these tags basically directly sync to your WordPress tag section, and that allows your search engines to basically pick up the content that you're that you want to rank. And lastly, I want to show you the SEO keyword feature, which allows you to optimize your content for a particular keyword. So for instance, let's say the keyword that we're aiming to rank this content for is fat loss. Now I'm just gonna quickly find a meta title. I'm just really gonna take my own heading, and I'm gonna just take this first paragraph and put it in as the meta description. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna enter the URL of the website that I want to publish this content on. And now what Content Gorilla is doing is it's going out onto Google, and it's taking the first not 10 but 20 results, and it's gonna basically compare and analyze your data together with the data for that particular keyword and see how your content stacks up. Now, as you can see, the score is back and we have a 63% score, and I can go ahead and improve this by incorporating these topics and performing these tasks that Content Gorilla's SEO feature is suggesting me to. Once I'm done with these, I can go ahead and run the SEO analysis again and basically work my way up until the SEO score is up to my satisfaction. Now, besides that, another pretty cool thing that I almost forgot is the content detection. Now, again, I really haven't done much on this piece of article except clicking the convert to blog button and just paraphrasing one paragraph, right? And you just saw that. Now, if I run this directly to Originality AI's content detection service, you see that it detects it at 100% original content. So what this means for you is that this content does not read like something that was written by AI, and that's because we're giving it video context and then converting that into an article. So it's highly relevant and the quality of content is super good. Google's gonna love it, the reader's gonna love it. So basically, all the more reasons to get you high up on the search engine rankings. Now, besides that, we have the syndication feature, which basically allows you to publish your post onto your social media accounts, and this could be Facebook, Twitter, or X, and also LinkedIn. So you basically integrate your accounts and then come over here and select them when you're ready to publish a post. And then over here on publishing, now you can basically go ahead and select your integrated WordPress website and then select the category you want to publish this content onto. And all you have to do is click the publish button and say, gonna publish this post onto your WordPress website, as well as it's gonna go over to my LinkedIn account. And as you can see, it says that content has been posted. So let me just quickly pull up the calendar, and we're gonna go to the website we just published the content on. And as you can see, we also have some 365 days of content post here as well, but this is the one that we just published. So let's quickly open it, and as you can see, our content is right here, and it it basically hyperlinked all of the keywords that we asked it to. Again, so wherever it will find the fat loss keyword, it's gonna hyperlink it to whatever the link it is that I want to link it to. Plus, on top of it, it also automatically added this other relevant post that it found on my blog. And as you can see, it helps with the internal linking as well. So yeah, that's pretty much how Content Gorilla's content creation process works. Now, again, there are a few different ways you can go about creating content, and that includes YouTube, Vimeo, as well as you can basically use transcriptions. Another one of the really big features that we have is the child post that allows you to take one big post and convert it into, or make more AI powered posts out of them. And if I could quickly show you this, let me just actually go into my saved posts, and I can quickly see if I can find something. Okay, so maybe let's resume this one. And the child post feature basically allows me to create content by using this particular content as the pillar post, right? So I'm going to create a new child post. I can create as much as up to 30 posts. I'm just going to say create 3 for this demo. And then I'm going to enter the main keyword that I'm aiming to rank for. And then I'm going to, add some more relevant keywords that I would like it to incorporate into the content that it's creating. Now I'm just going to select it tag quickly. This is basically just for me to identify which video the content was created from. And let's go here. And as you can see, it's currently in progress. So let's give it a few seconds and I'm going to be back after that. Alright, as you can see, it has completed 2 of these. It's still in progress for 1, but just let me quickly show you, the kind of content that it has generated for me based on the original post, that is how to create a content marketing strategy. So in this one, the headline it's given me is the ultimate guide to content marketing tools and strategies. And then, we have, as you can see on the left panel here, H1, H2, H3s. And it's basically a fully well laid out article of almost 1,000 words. Now, again, I can go ahead and add more stuff into this by, using tooltips. And once I'm satisfied, I can just simply go ahead and again, publish this content onto my website. Now, besides that, if I just want to start from scratch and just use a keyword, I can simply type in a keyword into the writer and hit the create content button, and it's going to basically generate the content for me here as well. So again, a whole host of different ways to create content with Content Gorilla, but the one objective that we have always kept in mind is, number 1, making content creation super easy and fast, and number 2, making your content creation so good that the SEO gods send you traffic. And we have actually made it work for ourselves as well. The Content Gorilla blog now gets almost 100,000 visitors every single month, and there's going to be another video somewhere on this page where you can, where we basically go into our analytics and show you the content and the Content Gorilla blog and all of that. But yeah, that's about it for this video. I'm looking forward to seeing you inside. Cheers.